I'm going to share with you how you can secretly browse on Safari. Private browsing on Safari is essential for maintaining privacy and security. It prevents the browser from storing your browsing history, cookies, and other data, which can be useful if you're using a public computer or if you want to keep your online activities private from others who may use the same device. To do this, simply head into your Safari. On this new tab, tap on the bookmark option on your bottom right. You will then see the number of active tabs on your browser right here. Tap on them to head into the private browsing mode right here. Add a new tab and start browsing. Your history won't be stored, and it also helps to prevent targeted advertising and tracking by websites and advertisers. That's how you can privately browse on Safari. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.